Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Back at it again with another day and, of course, another set of trades. My name is TJ, in case you didn't know, and I trade futures. Apex has come out with an incredible offer. Take advantage of it. Link in the description. Pinned comment on the corner of the screen. You have the promo code. It's 80% off, even for larger accounts, and the activation fee is only $85. It's usually double that. So take advantage and see what you can do. So today was actually another tough day. This week has been a tough week for me. I haven't had this kind of tough week for like 3 months, I think. So definitely since March I haven't. So it's been kind of strange for me, but you know, it's part of it. This happens. Just like I have winning streaks, I'm going to have losing streaks. Just like I have great weeks, I'm going to have tough weeks. It happens, part of trading. So today, actually, I believe I ended up with about 14 trades. I believe it was. And out of those 14 trades, I actually had about 6 gains. I believe it was. And then I had 3 losses and 5 break even. So that's 14 trades in total, but I'm not going to show all 14 trades, otherwise you're going to be watching like 10 minutes of action. So I'm going to just tell you about a few of them. Okay, I think I only have 1, 2, 3 gains that I'm going to show, and then I'm going to show you my series of losses because they all happened kind of like back to back to back. And then I will show my gains, but obviously no break evens. I don't need to show that. So we are actually going to start with Dow Jones. Okay, so I went in on Dow Jones. It was a Renko indicator for a long, and this was an absolute success, hitting my TP1 for 20 ticks and then trailing for 30 tick gain. Take a look. And then my second, third, and fourth trade, it's all going to show you all at once because they all happen in succession. It was trend line after trend line fail. This was because I tweaked my strategy thinking it was going to make it better, but it actually made it worse. So I ditched it today. I've had it for a few days. It was working well with a different kind of strategy, but it didn't work with this one that I have. So I've ditched it and I've gone back to the original one, but you'll see all of the losses. 2 of them were losses. 1 was overall break even. Check it out. And then I went in on ES, and this also finished with a loss. Check it out. And then after that, I believe my next 5 trades were wins. And so this helped me to claw back all of my losses and get back in the game. So we are going to talk about Nasdaq. Went in on Nasdaq trend line for a long, and I was able to make a gain of 10 points, which is 40 ticks on TP1, plus a trailing 15 points, which is 60 ticks. Check it out. And then finally, I went in on NQ again, and it was also for a long, a Renko indicator, and it was the same outcome with hitting my TP1 for 10 points, which is 40 ticks, as well as a trailing gain of 15 points, which is 60 ticks. Take a look. And then here's my balance. As you can see, I only ended up with just about $45.50, just under $50. This was actually me getting back all of my losses. So I actually got into the gain. I think I was at $120, and then I lost everything. And then at my highest loss point, I was at like $240 in losses, and then I clawed myself back up to around $50. So tough day, but I'm glad that I ended up with a gain. But this is how it goes sometimes. This is my tough week. Hopefully next week is going to be much better, or at least starting tomorrow is going to be great. We'll see what happens. But this is how you learn. When you're able to have something like Apex where you can actually learn how to trade, it makes all the difference in the world. You can build your confidence, your skill, your risk management. You can build a lot of different things. And once you build them out, you're going to be able to know how to trade. And once you hone the skill and acquire the skill, it's basically lights out financial freedom from there on. So this is what I'm going on. Join me on my journey. Hopefully you can learn a few things, and keep each other accountable, get Apex, get going. Okay, 80% off. This is one of the best opportunities that you'll ever have. Okay, so until tomorrow for the final day of the week, take care. Have a great weekend. God bless.